says from Santa.
What's this one? Guys, I found something behind here. What is this?
Bring it out. You and Benny open it.
Then I found this. It just had another card on it. It just had another card. Who's it? Cards that we gotten from Santa. Who's it? You ripped it from here. I'll rip it from here. Ah! Santa. Nintendo.
Oh my god.
Bro, this is our Nintendo Switch.
Oh my god. Let me see. Come here.
Let's go play the Switch.
Let me see. Open it up. Let's look at it.
It's a Switch. And guess what? This Switch can hook up to the TV.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You need me to help you? Let me see. Let me see.
I got a Switch.
Okay, okay. Now you open it. Now you can open it.
There's a school video game called Big Brain. Hey, what does it know?
Where's the Switch?
Fake. We got faked out.
Oh my god. It says to Junior and Benny, guess you shouldn't have been so naughty. Maybe next year we will try again. Be good, Santa?
This is garbage. I was happy about this for like 2 minutes.
Yeah. I told you guys to be good, bro. And you guys are never good, huh? Now what? Now Christmas is ruined.
This was you. This was you.
Alright, I'm just kidding. The Switch is right here. Psych, I faked you out. I fake wrote.
You bully. It is a Switch. We did get a Switch.
Let me hold that part because it's got the screen.
This one can go.
Are you guys
This
excited?
one can go to the TV. This one can go to the TV.
Yeah.
I'm not
This is
unboxing
an expensive freaking Switch.
I love it. I love it.
Aw.
I'm gonna be good until next year. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna stay here.
Are you guys
all
happy?
the way.
Did I
I'm gonna stay
fake you
here.
out?
Yes. You made us scared.
I love you guys.
You made us scared. And me angry.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Why
Why did you have to fake us?
Because that was hilarious. And because you guys were really bad. So,
Yeah.
do better.
Thank you.
Okay, I love you.
Maybe we're gonna play this in our secret base. The